Today we're talking about something that affects every single one of us, every single day. Our brain power. In our fast-paced world, being sharp, focused, and mentally agile is more important than ever. Whether you're a student cramming for exams, a professional navigating a demanding career, or just someone who wants to stay mentally keen, what you eat plays a massive, and I mean massive, role. It's not just about long-term health. Certain foods can give you a noticeable cognitive lift almost immediately. Think of your brain as a high-performance engine. It needs premium fuel to run at its best. Feeding it junk will only lead to sluggish performance, brain fog, and difficulty recalling information. But feeding it the right superfoods? That's how you unlock your full mental potential and protect your most valuable asset for years to come. I've done the research, I've looked at the studies, and I've narrowed it down to the top 3 powerhouse foods that can give you an instant brain boost. Ready to supercharge your focus and memory? Let's get into it. First up on our list is a small fruit that packs an unbelievable nutritional punch, the blueberry. Now, I know what you might be thinking. A blueberry? Really? Yes, really. These little blue orbs are consistently ranked as one of the most powerful health-promoting foods on the planet, especially when it comes to your brain. They're often called brain berries by neuroscientists, and for very good reason. The magic behind their power lies in a specific group of plant compounds called flavonoids, particularly one type known as anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are what give blueberries their rich, deep blue color, but they do so much more. They are potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. Our brains are highly susceptible to oxidative stress, which contributes to brain aging. The antioxidants in blueberries act like a cleanup crew, neutralizing free radicals and protecting your brain cells. But it gets even better. Studies have shown that compounds in blueberries can improve communication between brain cells by enhancing neuroplasticity, which is your brain's ability to form new connections and adapt. A study found that participants who drank blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks showed significant improvements in memory tests. The researchers believe the anthocyanins help increase blood flow to the brain. This increased blood flow translates into tangible benefits you can feel. Consuming blueberries can lead to improved short-term memory, better focus, and clearer thinking. Some research suggests cognitive benefits can be observed within hours of consumption. So how can you get more of these brain-boosting berries into your diet? Toss a handful into your morning oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or snack on them throughout the day. A single cup provides a powerful dose of brain-protective compounds. Moving on to our second brain food, we're diving deep into the ocean for this one. We're talking about fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, trout, and sardines. If blueberries are the brain's protectors, then fatty fish are the brain's fundamental builders. The key nutrient here is omega-3 fatty acids. Our brains are incredibly fatty organs. About 60% of the dry weight of your brain is fat, and a significant portion is an omega-3 called DHA. Think of DHA as the essential bricks and mortar for your brain cells. It's a primary structural component of the cerebral cortex, the part responsible for memory, language, attention, and creativity. Your body can't produce DHA efficiently on its own, so you must get it from your diet. When you don't get enough, your brain uses lower quality fats to build cell membranes, making them less fluid and efficient, leading to brain fog. The benefits of omega-3s are extensively documented. These fatty acids are crucial for learning and memory, help build and repair brain cells, and have powerful anti-inflammatory properties vital for protecting the brain from damage and aging. Regular consumption has been linked to lower risk of cognitive decline. But it's not just about long-term prevention. It's about optimizing your performance right now. When you consume omega-3s, you're directly supplying your brain with materials it needs to function at its peak. This leads to enhanced focus and concentration. The fats help stabilize cell membranes and support neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which play a huge role in focus and mood. A salmon salad for lunch could sharpen your focus for the rest of the day. The American Heart Association recommends at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. A serving is about 3.5 ounces, or the size of a deck of cards. You can grill salmon, add sardines to salad, or try smoked mackerel on whole wheat toast. Our third and final brain food is one that nature has conveniently shaped to look exactly like the organ it helps, the walnut. It's not just a coincidence. This humble nut is a true neurological powerhouse. Walnuts are unique among nuts because they contain a significant amount of a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid called alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Your body can convert ALA into the all-important DHA and EPA, the same fats found in fish. But the benefits don't stop with ALA content. They're packed with polyphenols, vitamin E, and other antioxidants. This combination works synergistically to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, the major enemies of cognitive function. Think of it as a multi-pronged attack. The ALA provides the building blocks, while the antioxidants provide protection for the entire structure. The research on walnuts and brain health is incredibly compelling. A UCLA study found that college students who consumed walnuts regularly showed improvements in inferential reasoning, which is a key type of critical thinking. Another study linked higher walnut consumption to better performance on cognitive tests, regardless of age or gender. The nutrients in walnuts enhance signaling between neurons, improve neurogenesis, and clear away toxic protein buildups. What this means for you daily is improved memory and faster information processing. The combination of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals supports overall brain performance. Snacking on walnuts can help stave off mental fatigue during cognitively demanding tasks. Incorporating walnuts couldn't be simpler. A serving is about a quarter cup. They make a perfect portable snack, can be sprinkled over salad for crunch, or mixed into oatmeal alongside those blueberries for a true brain-boosting breakfast. So there you have it. 3 simple, delicious, and incredibly powerful foods to supercharge your brain. We've talked about the antioxidant power of blueberries, the essential omega-3s in fatty fish, and the unique combination of nutrients in walnuts. These aren't just healthy foods, they are targeted fuel for your most important organ. Making small, consistent changes by including these foods is one of the best investments in your cognitive health. I want to challenge you to start incorporating at least one of these foods every single day for the next week. Notice how you feel. Do you feel sharper? Is it easier to concentrate during that afternoon slump? The power to enhance your brain function is literally on your plate. You don't need expensive supplements. Just make smart, evidence-based choices. Start small, stay consistent, and your brain will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this information valuable and actionable. If you did, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite brain-boosting foods? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Stay healthy, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.